To access the video lectures, first you have to log into your account. Once you do that, you click on the icon on your desktop that allows you to enter the course. Once you enter the course, go up here to the course contents, table of contents. Click it. Once you click that, you will get a course outline with the chapters, the various chapters, and the sections within each chapter. Now, if you look at your weekly schedule that I sent out to you, you are required in week 1 to watch the Getting Started information chapter. So if it's not already selected, click it, and you will see the various sections from within that chapter. Click each one of these sections and watch the videos. It will tell you how to use LabSim. For example, I'll click the video Introduction to Desktop Pro. You'll get a screen that allows you to play the video by itself or to watch it with an interactive script, which is a text version of the script in the video. Most of the time, students choose to just play the video. That is up to you. Once you've completed that video, once you've watched it, go back to the table of contents and click it. Move on to the next video, and so on and so forth throughout this entire chapter. Now, you will not get graded on watching these videos in the chapter 0, but you should watch them because it will explain to you how to use the software. You will begin to have grades, and I'll record those grades once you get into the Microsoft Word chapter. You're not required to watch the computer and internet basics. It's not part of the course. However, there's a lot of great, I'm going to click it. There's a lot of great information in there that you may choose to watch or not to watch. Moving on to Word in week 1, click Word, chapter 2, and you will see all the sections on the right. These icons here are telling you that it's a video lecture. To watch the video lecture, simply click it. And once again, you will come to the video screen and you can play the video by itself or with the interactive script. For instance, let's say you do choose to watch with the interactive script. You click that icon, the video will begin, and the script, exactly what the person who's giving this lecture is listed on the right-hand side. Now, you can choose to print this script if you want to. You don't have to, that's up to you. When you're done watching this video, go back to the table of contents, click it, and move on to the next video lecture. So this is how you watch the video lectures. Now, if there's a green check mark next to each one of these assignments, that tells you that you've completed it. Now, you don't need to have a green check mark next to the assignment. That just tells you that you completed it, and in the case of a virtual lab that you'll complete, this tells you you completed the lab and received a score of 100%. Now, you may complete the lab and not get 100%. In that case, you will not have a green check mark there, but that doesn't mean that you didn't complete the lab. After completing the lab, let me just show you. Click the lab, you read the scenario, you click Start Lab. On the left-hand side of the screen, there will be various tasks that you need to complete, and after completing the entire lab, give it a second to load. Okay, so in this lab it says do the following: create a new blank document, close the document. So you will complete the lab, and then when you're done, I'm going to say score lab. Click score lab. Here's your report. Now, because I didn't actually do that lab, my score is 0. 0, I completed 0 tasks out of 7 in that particular lab. Now let's say you completed most of the tasks. You didn't get 100%, but it'll tell you you got an 88 or a 75 or whatever, 93, whatever your score is. Okay. In this same window, if you scroll down, it tells you the actions you were required to perform and how to do those, complete those steps in the event that you need additional help. Do the following, do the following. Okay, and when you're done looking at the lab report, you can either print it or just select done. Okay, then you'll be ready to move on to the next assignment. Go to the table of contents, click it, and you will move on to the next assignment, whether it's a lab, it might be when you're done these labs, you might move on to the second section. There's more videos to watch. So don't be alarmed if you don't have a green check mark. Whatever grade you received in the lab report will come directly into my instructor's grade book. And I can look at detailed information about what you have done and what you have not done. So that's how you watch the video lectures. And any further questions, please email me.